Mwaka muhituku wa 2025 a Kenya 900,900 ni mathurimirwo na makioneka mari na maruru ma murimu wa TB na hari acio gicunji kia 63 hari 100 ni arume.
Tunaambia wanaume wawache kichwa ngumu kidogo. You see, na pia wamama tukipatikana pia msituharas.
Kwambatira kwa namba ya arume aria magumirwo ni thina uyu irikanite yumanite na arume kwaga gwekinyia thibitari o hamwe na kuhuthiriria uthurimi wa murimu uyu na angi makaga kurumirira motaro ma arigitani megie unyui wa dawa cia kuhurana na maruru ma murimu uyu.
I lost an auntie of mine to TB, and just looking at how he did the presentation, I think the issue of stigma, the issue of late diagnosis, the issue of treatment complexities, played in, and it was very traumatic as a child.
Kaunti iria igumirwo makiria ni maruru ma murimu uyu ni hamwe na kaunti ya Nairobi, Mombasa, Kiambu, kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi, Homa Bay, Kisumu gatagati ga kaunti ingi, na kuringana na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni ati thina uyu kaingi ucungagiririo ni ukia ucenjia wa riera, andu aingi gukorwo mari hamwe o hamwe na mirimu ingi ta mukingo na murimu wa cukari.
Chronic lung conditions such as asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and other respiratory illnesses continue to rise, compounding the burden in individuals.
HIV testing among TB patients reached 99%, and out of that 96% of those found positive were started on antiretroviral therapy.
Dalili ciumanite na murimu uyu ni hamwe na gikorora gitarathira, kuhiuha mwiri, guthithina utuku, na kuringana na ataramu ni ati hari andu aria maramukira urigiti wa murimu uyu andu 2,000 matiari na dalili o ciothe.
Because TB is preventable and TB is treatable and TB is curable. Let us reject stigma, let us choose compassion, let us act with urgency.
Arwaru a murimu uyu kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga mataririe thabari ndito magereire makirua na murimu uyu na kumana na urigiti ukinyanirie makahona na riri ugacokereria miri-ini yao.
Hata nilikuwa pregnant. Sasa nilikuwa nashindwa mtoto wangu atakuwa sawa kweli. Lakini baadaye nikamaliza dawa around November mwanzo na nikajifungua hiyo November.
Kula vizuri, kukunywa maji kwa wingi, kukula greens, yani everything about nutrition walini cancel about it.
Hamwe noguo thirikari netaririe makinya maria tacukitie hari kurigiriria gutamba kwa murimu uyu, maria ni hamwe na uthurimi wa urigiti wa murimu uyu hatari marihi, kuria gukinyiria riu ikuo ciumanite na murimu uyu icokete thi na gicunji kia 58 hari 100 kuma mwaka wa 2015.
Thondeka tari mwaka muthiru tubotete ku identify andu 1,500.
Present life missed, families affected, and ongoing transmission within our communities.
Hari andu aria magumirwo ni murimu wa TB gicunji kia 63 ni arume guku kaunti ya Nairobi, Kiambu na Mombasa ikioneka gutongoria hari andu aria magumirwo ni murimu uyu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.